Die Verbrennung der Amerikaner.
Who's up, my beautiful mates of YouTubes? It's Aussie Marcel here, obviously. I've got links to the Aussie Marcel Instagram and TikTok up there, so if you haven't followed those yet, please consider dropping a follow to them. I'm posting very regularly on TikTok now. I'm doing a lot of fashion videos, which I tie a lot of fragrance content into it as well. So if you're looking for fashion recommendations and things like that, definitely check me out on TikTok. I'm actually kind of liking the short format. You know, you've got to be a little bit sort of creative with how you present them because you don't have sort of like an unlimited amount of time to do them. Anyways, let's just get into the video. Follow me on TikTok and on Instagram at Aussie Marcel. I look forward to seeing you guys there. What is up, my beautiful mates of YouTube? My name is Aussie Marcel, and in today's video I'm going to be recommending 5 fragrances for men, and these come in at a variety of different price points, so stick around and you'll find something that fits into your budget this Christmas. But before then, I just wanted to let you know what I'm wearing today, and that is Carolina Herrera's Bad Boy, the EDT. You would wear that one in the exact same situations you would wear Paco Rabanne's 1 Million in, although personally I prefer Bad Boy, the EDT, and it's not even close. And also, I received Velvet Oud by Latifa in the mail the other day. I'm wearing it on my hand. It is very pungent. It's like a good combination between Tom Ford's Tuscan leather and Tom Ford's ombre leather. And just check out that design. All these Middle Eastern brands, they really just go all out when it comes to design. And the fragrances themselves, for the price you're paying, like $60 Australian, super high quality. I'll be reviewing that one on the channel eventually as well. So starting things off, I'm recommending Nike Man Red. This smells almost identical to Dolce & Gabbana, the One EDT Pour Homme, except this one dials down the tobacco ever so slightly. Performance is as good, if not better, than Dolce & Gabbana's The One. The only difference is that costs like $80 Australian and this comes in at $9 Australian. It smells incredible. I wear this before I go to bed sometimes just because it's such an attractive smelling fragrance. Fruity, it's sweet, it's got that dusty sort of tobacco note to it. It's quite mature for a $9 fragrance, so definitely check that one out. Next, I'm going to be recommending Ted Lapidus's Ultima. To my nose, this is a unisex scent. Amber, vanilla, floral. There's not a lot on the market that smells exactly like this. It is marketed towards men, but I firmly believe that this is a unisex scent. That vanilla note and those florals, it's like a white floral sort of tuberose note. Can make it perfectly feminine if that's what you're sort of shooting for. But man, the vanilla note in this one is second to none at like the $25 price point. Highly recommend it for the price. Performance is incredible as well. I remember when I purchased this, after I gave my first impressions, I sprayed it on my hand and it lasted like over 12 hours. And at the $25 price point, can you even beat that? Oh, Nike Man Blue, I guess, but that's a special case. Next up is a recent pickup of mine, and that is Ferrari Red. This is gonna become like one of my go-to after shower scents. It's just sweet enough to separate it from your classic traditional Fresh and Clean scents, but it still retains like this heavily clean clothes, fresh, just washed sort of vibe. It's almost like shower gel, but it's more like laundry detergent. I'll spray this one as well. This is $25 at Chemist Warehouse. There's also like it's not a sunflower note, but it's some sort of floral note hidden away in there, tucked in at the background. At $25, man, I would pick this one up over Ultima, but Ultima, if you're like a younger gentleman, if you're somebody that really likes sweet vanilla fragrances, that would probably be the recommendation. But Ferrari Red, to my nose, this is the scent at $25. Next up, I will be recommending Club de Nuit Men, not Club de Nuit Intense. This smells almost identical to Paco Rabanne's 1 Million. pretty much the same notes here. It's got that same aggressive, sweet opening. Cinnamon, sweet, woody, maybe like a hint of leather and spice in there as well. Atomizer isn't fantastic. Stinging my bloody eyes, mate. But yeah, this one comes in at about the $40 to $45 price point. So if you're looking for Paco Rabanne's 1 million on a hard budget, this is a great alternative. Performance is incredible at 12 plus hours, so similar to Paco Rabanne's 1 million. And finally, I'm going to be recommending Versace Eros, the Eau de Toilette. What can I say that hasn't been said about Versace Eros already? Apple, mint, some warm spicy notes in the background, sort of like a Tonka bomb. If you smell this, this is one of those scents that you can smell out in the wild and instantly recognize it. It's incredible value for money. My recommendation would be to wait until Priceline has the 200 ml of this on sale for $99 and then pick that up, because you're basically paying $50 per 100 ml, and that is where the value is, not in these smaller bottles. But at my local Priceline, they had like some throwaways, and they had like 3 bottles of Versace Eros 50 ml for like $30 each, so I just picked them all up because why not? It's an incredible smelling scent. It's gonna get you compliments. People love this one. Good performer, versatile. What more can you want? Those are just 5 scents I recommend, and they all come in at a variety of different price points. Let me know if you've ever worn any of these before. I can't wait to hear what you guys have to say, and until the next video, my name is Aussie Marcel, and I'll catch you guys around.